The brand's engineers have previously been caught testing the 8 Series in convertible form with thin camouflage numerous times, with the most recent showing the soft top's shape in better detail than before. Seen during winter tests in the Arctic Circle in the same week, images of the coupe leaked online via BMW blog Immer post, see image below in gallery. The model features a flatter tail than the hardtop behind its electric folding fabric roof. The 8 Series, which is due on sale this November as rival to the two-door Mercedes-Benz S-Class and Bentley Continental GT, is inspired by the concept 8 Series. It also shares some exterior design features with the 6 Series. Underneath, the upcoming flagship is technically related to the 7 Series saloon. It will essentially be a two-door coupe version of that car, much in the same way that the 4 Series and 3 Series are related. Being so closely related to the 7 Series, it's likely that the 8 Series will share naming conventions and engines with its saloon sibling. This means that an high-performance badged plug-in hybrid will feature in the range, while the entry-level 3.0-liter 6-cylinder diesel found in the 730D will be used in an 830D. The 8 Series lineup will also likely include the more performance-oriented 4.4-liter V8 in the 750iX drive, accompanied by all-wheel drive. A V12 engine model will come later in the 8 Series life cycle. The most hardcore variant of the 8 Series will come in M8 form, with its own more aggressive bodywork. This model is likely to be powered by an upgraded version of the latest M5's 592 bhp 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine and share the same MX Drive 4-wheel drive system. Inside, 8 Series models will feature the same top-end technologies found in the 7 Series, including the latest and next-generation semi-autonomous functions. As part of BMW's range shakeup, the 8 Series Coupe will indirectly replace the 6 Series Coupe, which will end production in 2018, while the 6 Series Convertible will then be indirectly replaced by the 8 Series Convertible the following year. The final 6 Series variant, the Grand Coupe, despite running out at the same time as the convertible, is unconfirmed for replacement but could be renewed. Meanwhile, the 5 Series GT has been replaced by the 6 Series GT. It might not be the end of the road for the 6 Series Coupe and convertible variants, though, as BMW is still undecided as to whether direct replacements for the two will be introduced.